Right everyone, we're doing another modification today to the Corsa. We are putting in different door handles. I've had to fiddle around off camera and get things lined up, and hopefully I'm somewhere in the right place just so the window can come up and down. So I've drawn my template, I've cut a bit out. I had to because the low spot there wouldn't allow me to put the door handle in. And we are going for flush door handles. So I'm going to cut this hole out, clean all this up, get it tacked in place, and then I'll be back. So we'll see you in a second. Right guys, I've got this tacked in place now, so I'm going to weld the rest of it in. Just going to have to take my time, just so we don't warp the panel too much. So I'll put you on time lapse and I'll get to it. So welcome back. I've ground it all down now and put a skimmer filler in there. I've also rubbed down the inside, etched it and primed it just so that it obviously doesn't rot from the inside out. I'm going to get this filler rubbed down and then we're going to hang it back on the door, get the door handles stuck in, and then go from there I suppose. But it's coming along nicely. Hope you're enjoying this little quick video on it. So I kind of got carried away a little bit and finished the door off. The glass didn't go up and down if I'm honest, so I've had to shave some off the door handle and play around with the metal framework to try and get the glass to go up and down. So I'm going to pop the door back in, I'll put the glass in and show you it working. I'll show you the door handle popping in and out. I hope you like it, it's a cool little feature on the car now.
Hello, welcome back. Right, just quickly throwing this back together again so that you can have a look and see what it looks like. Obviously it's a little bit rough at the minute, but we're just in this testing stage. Window working, up and down, up and down. Fantastic. Look at that.
And then my door handle.
As you probably heard from Chris saying earlier, there weren't much room in this door compared to the Range Rover door, so it's definitely had some mods to get it to fit and the window to work. There, look at that. Beautiful. One more time for the camera with a bit of distance. Look at that. You ever seen that before? On a Corsa VXR anyway. You might have seen it on a Velar Range Rover. Very cool. Very unique. Not a very common mod you see. Very proud of where we've got it so far. Door one complete. We'll be back.
So I hope you enjoyed the little demonstration of my little door. So I'll get on with the next one. Lewis's nephew wants to say a few things, so I'm going to give it to him and let him crack on.
Hello, make sure to like and subscribe to TwoSpannersContact because I love that channel, it's really good. So yeah, make sure to hit the bell too. Bye.